I have cerebral palsy. I've had cerebral palsy since I was, I want to say, crawling. And back in the 60s, they really didn't give you a whole lot of information, or they didn't really give you a whole lot of hope that you have full faculties once you grew up. In fact, it was actually the reverse. I was being told that by the time I was in my 60s, I'd probably be in a wheelchair. Well, the results I had gotten is I've gotten improved mobility in my arm and my leg. I've had a decrease in the muscle pain. I've also had flexibility changes where I can actually move some of my fingers independently of one another, which I have not ever been able to do. I've also had sensations in different muscle groups, which I never had before either. So I can't even do that, which I was not able. See, I can actually touch my fingertips, which I was never able to do prior to her doing whatever she did. I've actually been able to use it to do my shifter on my car, which, being a left-handed for most of my life, I'd have to lean over and use my left hand to do it, where now I can use my right. Oh, definitely.